Hello, and how's everyone doing? Oh, so I've picked up some brass weights for the Scx24, and these are actually axle extensions as well, so it should give us a little bit wider footing on the trail. And I believe they said they're 28 grams, about 1 ounce of weight. Got these things off eBay. I think they're $32, and they seem to be pretty well made. I think it's an individual making them and not a company. I'll try to put a link in the description. But it's a nice chunk of brass there. You can see it just, you're supposed to pull the pin out, slide this collar over, put the pin back in, and then put our extensions on. Which also you can buy this piece separate for all four sides and make them even heavier, like a big brass donut that goes around it. Well, let's pull one off and have a look. I had the little O-rings on there because a little shin mod to extend it out. Alright, so pull that. That's to pull the little key out there. Pliers. It's a good magnet. And then you're supposed to take this little brass piece and put over. That's a nice snug fit. That's supposed to set up against the bearing. And put our key back in. Let me slide that down a little more. It's definitely a tight fit there. Then our donut's supposed to go onto that. Wheel back on. And it looks like I'm probably going to have to drill out the rim just a little bit to fit this through. Now let me go get something to do that with, and I'll be right back. Cordless drill with a drill bit that's just a little bit bigger than the hole. Don't want to go too much at a time. That works, fit right in there. Yeah, that's the right size there. All right. Well, it goes on that easy. See, it's sticking out quite a bit from the other side. Let me get the other three put on, then I'll get back with you and we'll see what it looks like. All right, I've got them all on. And you can see the difference. I mean, it is visibly quite a bit wider than it was previously. Your brass weights in there. And you can feel the difference too when you pick it up. It definitely feels a lot heavier. Steering seems to be good. This will hopefully keep it from flipping over so easily on me, because I like these little things, but I think they flip over quite easy, and this seems to giving it quite a bit better stance. So we'll get it out and give it a test, and if you want to stay tuned for that. Well, all right, it is really cold outside, so we're going to be doing our little crawler adventure indoors. I dug up some of my war game scenery here and figured it would double as crawler terrain. It's already feeling quite a bit more stable. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to back at this angle over that beforehand. We passed the test pretty good. The brass seems to really make a huge difference. I can go quite a bit more on the side than I could before without falling. I'd always roll over when I tried to take sidewall on anything. Issue I'm having now though is my servo's gotten kind of wonky. That's messing with the trim settings there, and that causes that to go nuts. But then if I touch the steering wheel, as long as I'm moving it, it's fine. But when I let go and try to get the wheels trimmed back out, because they've been sticking at one angle, it's been doing that. So I think my servo's seen better days. But thanks a lot for checking it out. I'll be looking for an upgraded servo next. And hopefully you like this. If so, like, sub, subscribe, share. All would be greatly appreciated. Alright everyone, have a great day. These millstone brass are pretty good.